Hello friends, Prakash here from Logoland. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to continue symbol making that actually I was doing in the last video. Really missed out my watching my last video. So you can go and check description box below down there where you can find all the link related to my all the videos. So I'm gonna see you in Illustrator and let's get started. So so let's start. So in the last video, you may have seen these are the symbols we had created. So in today's video, we are going to create website symbol plus phone symbol. Okay, let's create them. I'm just keeping them aside so that they could not come in my way while designing. So first we are going to create a website symbol. So I need to take a circle. It's very easy. Create a circle. Okay, let's switch to the stroke color and let's have a proper thickness according to our vision, what we actually envision to have. 20 will be appropriate. So it is very simple. What you have to do is just copy this one, select and copy and paste in front. So then holding the alt key and reduce the size vertically. Okay, and then copy it, select this one, copy and paste in front. Again we have to squeeze it vertically. I know differentiation between the stroke size has been also going on. So what I'm going to do is we'll tackle with this. Select this one and this one. Okay, now copy both and paste in front. Okay, now holding shift key on your keyboard, then rotate in 90 degree. Okay, maybe you can type here 90 degree. Here we go. So select all the shapes, all the elements, and here you can add same amount of thickness. It has been too much actually, 14. So select this one, squeeze it. Hold the alt key, select this one, hold the alt key. So this is how you can create web symbol. Okay, so I'm keeping apart. Sometimes you may have noticed symbol is different. So let's do this thing. What you have to do is just get rid of this and just get rid of this. Okay, we will work with this. Squeeze size horizontally, squeeze size. Now what we have to do is just we need a center, a line to the center like so. Same here. Okay, copy and paste in front and rotate it holding. So you can also have in such a way. Okay, copy this up, copy and place it apart. I'm going to convert this into a shape and let's unite them. Create a box and make it to center actually. Okay, select. I think I'm unable to see what is going on behind this rectangle. So let's convert this into a stroke. Okay, now select this shape, squeeze it down, select all the shapes all together, all the elements, press shift M key on the keyboard, then you have to drag across like so horizontally. Let's get rid of these small, what we can say, rubbles. Okay, Now let's start. Type and www. Okay, so we can place this text in mid and increase its size. So I would like to have Gotham font. It will fit better according to me. Make it small. So actually, symbol color and the text color have the variation actually are not matching with each other. So in order to grab the same color, what I have to do is I just want www this label have the same color as the symbol. So what I will do is select this text and press I on the keyboard so that you could switch to the eyedropper tool. Just select the text and click here, okay, to match the color. So let me do it again. Okay, you can see. So this is the symbol you can work with. So now we are going to create telephone symbol. It's very easy. What you have to do is take a rectangle and first delete it. Let's create circle by pressing L on the keyboard, make it smaller and copy it. Okay, this is the appropriate distance I'm finding between them. Now let's create a rectangle. Let's switch into outline mode. We have to snap from this point and we have to draw from this point to this point exact. Okay, now the next, select both the shape and take shape builder tool, press shift M, click and drag up to the last so that we can have single shape. Now phone symbol shape is not looking appropriate. It's looking like a dumbbell. we generally use in the gym for the exercise. So we are creating the symbol for telephone symbol, telephone number symbol that could be used for visiting card, letterhead, wherever we want to use actually. So select this one. We have to play with little bit more. So what we have to do is select and add a symbol here in the center actually, here and here. Okay, and let's get rid of this one, get rid of this one. Okay, so now we have to drag it upward, this handle. Same with this, drag it upward. If you really want to have the balance in the both side, either side of this font, actually this side and this side should remain same, because I just use handle up to here and I use up to here, so there gonna be differentiation between the curve, obviously, because I'm going to do it separately. If you really want to make both identical, so what you can do is just play and tweak just half of the part, like so. So I'm not working here, I'm just going to work over here. So this shape is coming very well according to me. Here I need to do work a little bit. Should go like this, I think. No. Take it. Yeah. That's good. Okay. So I need to make it also a curve. It is a flat and straight line. Let's convert it to curve. So take this point here. So this is a great thing about the new version of Illustrator. Here, if you select any point, so here you can see a small dot through which if you go and drag it, so you can have a curve. You have to keep dragging until you find your desired curve. I think that's okay. Select this one, click and drag. I think this shape looking okay. I'll take it back. No, this shape is okay. Let's create a straight line. or let the straight line to the center of this telephone symbol and select all the elements and take stabilizer tool and delete this part. Very simple. Very simple. Now what we have to do is select, press O on your keyboard to access the reflect tool. Just click here in the center anywhere. Actually, I'm going to click here and copy. So this is how we can make it identical and select and make them one. So this is what we created. Actually, it is a telephone symbol. Okay, it's a simple telephone symbol. Okay, you can utilize it. You can utilize making it surrounded with a circle as well, like we have done here. Or maybe you can add some vibration kind of stuff, like tower kind of stuff. So what we have to do is just take a circle. It's so easy to add. Take a circle and okay, let's make it small. Okay, copy, Control C. I'm going to use Control F to paste. Then again select this one, copy and paste. So I'm going to basically I'm going to create tower. Okay, our network kind of. Okay, we don't have to heed over here what's going on. If anything is being matched up over here, just uh, don't be worried about it. We just have to do with this part. Okay, so let's create a line here. Now we need to reflect this line actually. Oh, click here. No. Select this one. Okay, select all the lines. Now actually I need a line, one more line here. Then we'll have tower kind of stuff over here. Copy and reflect. This rotate it. A little bit. Okay, so let's select all the lines. Okay, get rid of this. Sorry, I think we didn't select this one. Now let's get rid of these. Do the same with this. What's going on? So let's do one thing. Select these three lines. Let's adjust stroke thickness first. Oh, okay, I think this would be, I think, appropriate, right? Okay, let's. Okay. So I just want to get rid of this line, the bridge, which is connecting two points. I just want to get rid of this. I don't need it here. Okay, let's double click and move into the isolation mode. If you double click, pay attention. If you double click, so it allow you to move into the isolation mode where you are just able to edit this shape only. Other shape will be disabled, maybe this highlighted. Okay, so now I easily use it. Okay, so I think select all the shapes, make them I think more, and expand. So select this one. Let's make sure every shape has been expanded actually. So all the shape have been expanded. Let's get rid of this. What's going on? Get rid of this. Yeah. So let's delete these shapes as well. So I think this kind of symbol you can create. So that's all for this video. I'm gonna see you in next video. I will be teaching you how to create more symbols like home symbol and contact person symbol. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. If you like this video, so don't forget to leave a like, subscribe my channel right now. Thank you. I hope you liked my video. If you found this video very useful and lucrative to you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe my channel if you didn't. And do let me know what you have learned from my today's video. I'm gonna see you in next video very soon with a new tool, maybe new concept. Thank you.